Booyah!
Hello, hello, hello. How you doing? Yeah, coming short. Sherman here to report some good news. Finally. My lord, it took so doggone long. I don't know how many complaints I had to call Spectrum for. Yeah, I sat on Spectrum for 45 minutes with my Saco tunnel. Yeah, by water. I was sipping on that on the phone with my iPhone. Oh yeah, I don't have my Disney Channel Spectrum. I don't have sign me up. Oh my God, what I'm gonna do? I'm sitting here getting vamp. Oh my God. Oh. So now this is what happened. Disney company signed an agreement with a contract. Got my baby. Now hold on, my baby. Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey. Hello, my all-time girl. Now, to find a contract, the contract. That's Figaro for Pinocchio. Okay, now, the contract. Here, hold my baby. My big patat. My big patat is going to need a bottle in 30 minutes. So I got to get off here in 30 minutes to feed my baby. My big patat. No, now. Only select channels. We're in agreement. So you have the Disney Channel, FX, ABC, Baby TV, and that's it. So the ones that didn't go into agreement right now is Disney Junior, Disney XD, FXX, FX Movies, More. Oh no, Baby TV didn't make it. Okay, so it's only the Disney Channel right now. ABC, Freeform did not make it, and Net Geo and all your National Geographic did not make it yet either. So you definitely just have the Disney Channel, History Channel, ABC, and that's all I know right now. But read here is that on here. This is screen. That's what they added. And then I have right here is where what didn't come to the contract today. Now that today is September 11th, so by the 12th, this video is gonna come out. So that's what's going on. Now I can't, I can only do for Thibodeau. The zip code is 70301, and I can do my zip code 33837, which is Davenport. So I can report because I called my brother, and he lives in Thibodeau where I used to live, and he told me, yeah, I can verify that this channels are working. ESPN is working, and the other channels that are not on this that are on this paper that's not working. It's not working. So that's what's going on. Lordy, lordy. Lord knows what's next. So that's about it. I'm gonna make another video. I just want to breaking news. Ooh, breaking news, motherfuckers. Mega news. That Spectrum is trying to get the contract going, and Disney has a high price, and Spectrum paid it, and they're gonna keep paying it because they got nothing else for the world to do to get more fat. They ain't got nothing else to do. No more. No, they ain't got nothing. What you got? You have your Disney Plus, your HBO Max, your Netflix, Peacock. Peacock is now part of Spectrum or your TV subscriptions that are free. So now you have all these extra stuff to watch because you subscribe to Spectrum. That's it. I gotta burp my baby. He has to burp. So, get my baby. My baby. I got another baby too. Yeah, big baby. He's pink. Let me go put him back in the crib. Yeah, that's Rufus. Rufus from Kim Possible. Oh, he burped. He got all those tacos. He got all those tacos earlier today. Yeah, he got all those tacos. That's enough. All right. It's okay. So, where you going? See, that's all he does. So that's from Kim Possible. That's Ron's best friend, Ron Stoppable. His name is Rufus. He's a naked mole rat. And I bring him all in the park, and he sits in my little basket, and I love him to death. Anyway, so good news about Disney Plus, Disney and all that. Now you gotta watch Ahsoka Tano. So Ahsoka is on Disney Plus, and it's amazing. You gotta watch it because it's amazing. It's really good. It's really good. Even if you don't like Star Wars and know what's going on, you're gonna like that because it's really good, really good. Anyway, so um, anyway, so oh my baby, oh my baby, Cletus, Clump, oh Clump in charge, oh my baby, oh my little Hercules, oh Sherman and Denise get married, oh fabulous. Amazing grace. Praise Jesus. They got that Disney connection. Because Lord knows what you would have done without it. You had nothing to watch. And thank God they have that ABC now. Because now we can watch American Idol. Because when it comes back, you wouldn't have better watched it if they didn't have the connection. The contract. So they have that. Okay, so I saw before I made the video that Little Mermaid live action, Elemental, and the 5th episode of Ahsoka Tano came out on Disney Plus. And that's about it. So that's all I'm reporting. I'm just being silly, breaking news because people don't see. They reported it about it being connected, and then they didn't pay for the block, and they contact everybody, made a big hoopla. But now, within the last 24 hours, nobody made a video that it's back. Some of the services is back on. So now I'm reporting it. It's now back on. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm feeling good today, so I got my bayou water with Socatano. But I got this at Disney World. Disney World. It's 40 ounces. It fits in a cup holder, and it's thermal. It holds ice maybe about 12 hours, and it holds hot about maybe 8 or 9. And this is Kark Circle brand, SLM brand, and you can find them. This in the park. This one I found at Disney Springs, and I don't even think it's owned by Disney. I can't care any less because when you're in the park, the parks, you can get one of those stickers like Mickey sticker or the princesses, and you can stick it all on here. Instead of putting it all on your body, you put it all on here, all on here. So we don't have to go dark anymore. I get that some more bayou water. That's some good shit. Oh, yeah. So when you're in Florida and you go to Publix, you gotta try the sweet deli tea. I think it's green tea or black tea, but I really think it's green tea. And you gotta try it. That's the value water. It's I know how some people to make their own ones. It's not a herd and meat, but the ones at Publix, it's sweet like Chick-fil-A. It's sweet like Popeyes. It's sweet like yeah, Popeye sweet. You know that sweet tea. So it's got a sweeter taste like a soda. But what I do, what I do is I um I thought you were going to find your tacos. You know what? He ate all the tacos at Epcot. He ate all the black tacos, and that's why you don't have him anymore in the parks. He ate all the tacos. Um, so what were we talking about before I was rudely interrupted? See what I mean? I gotta put up with this all day long, all day long. I got Rufus wanting to eat the tacos. He loves tacos. All right, so I made some jambalaya with this kind of chicken I got from Publix. Pre-do chicken breast diced, and it's a pound and a quarter. It's already diced and cooked. You defrost it. It's already cut up, skinless, boneless. You just throw it in the pot. All right, here you go. Y'all ready now? Come on, Ray. Come on. Come on. Grandma Bujo, put your light on. All right, Ray. So you take your chicken, you put it in the pot with some cooking oil. I use olive oil for my cholesterol. Lower my cholesterol and my blood pressure. Um, you saute that with the bell peppers, which you call the Holy Trinity. Bell peppers, green peppers, and then onions. Once that becomes golden brown, while it's cooking, I have my rice. Once that's cooking, that's cooking. Okay, now, so you have that burling. Once the rice is cooked, it's 1 cup of rice, and you take your chicken and you put it together with the seasonings of Tony Chachere's, and then I do 1 can of tomato paste and then 1 can of tomatoes, and then I cut up my andouille sausage, and I mix it all together, and then I have my jambalaya. So I have my jambalaya right here on the right, and look, he's already going to eat it. And you wonder why I don't have no more food in my house? Because I got a rat, a big huge rat, eating everything in my house. He's naked, mole rat, and he's pink. And his name is Rufus. And he eats all the jambalaya. All the jambalaya. See, he's taking my jambalaya right now, look, he's taking my jambalaya. I can't even show you. He's taking my jambalaya, look. He's taking the jambalaya. I can't even eat anymore. He's taking the jambalaya. All right, Rufus. All right. All right, stay right there. Okay, stay right there, Rufus. So I can show everybody the jambalaya and that you want to see too. All right, Rufus. Rufus. Okay. So I got the roll. Rufus. It's not for you. It's for me. Ooh, it smells different. Jazzy jambalaya. All right, Rufus, hold on. So I got the chicken here. It's hard, but it's soft and soft. It's really chewy. And then the andouille sausage that you can get at Publix. So you got that at Publix, you get this at Publix. My husband Jughead, he works at Publix, so gets off, he goes grocery shopping, and he comes home once a week. But I have some jambalaya now. So you finally got to see jambalaya. Because you get jambalaya, we had Reverend chicken, and you had the dirty rice. Now you get to see this one. Next is probably going to be red beans and rice or gumbo. But I only do that in like the gumbo and the chicken. What did my grandmother Margaret make? It was chicken. Well, you got a casserole. There's a nice little casserole she makes. It's a green bean. She makes, yeah, but it was a noodle and ground beef casserole, but chicken and dumpling. I said, but it's like 90 degrees outside, but 72 degrees at night. At night, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that, and then I'll show you one of those two in my next video, because I'm trying to do churches, like where to go for churches, and if you didn't want to go to church, um, or you do want to go to church, you know where to go while you're on vacation. But then you also got shopping plazas and restaurants outside of Disney where you may want to go. He got it. He's gonna eat it all before it's even done. I'm gonna have no food for the rest of the week because he's gonna eat it all. But anyway, all right, Rufus, it's time to get off here. It's already been almost 10 minutes. Well, it's 5 minutes now. We'll go on 6. All right, y'all. Y'all talk to y'all later. Good news about Spectrum and Disney that they, coming into the form of agreement so we all can be calming down. We can start watching our programs again and get more fat while we eat. And y'all can say hello to Rufus. When y'all in the park, say, hey, Rufus. So I'm on my scooter. He's in my basket. Y'all can be like, hey, Rufus. Yep. Alright, so Friday we're doing the Mickey's Not So Scary. And Monday or Tuesday of next week, which is around the 19th, I think, of September, we're doing the Minnie Mouse Halloween. We couldn't go because I wasn't feeling good. Boy, ooh. Arthritis was killing me. I couldn't move. I don't know what was going on. So, that's it. So I should be alright. And then I'll have that video out to y'all very shortly.